this question we are taking, and with the help of the properties of the determinant, we will solve this one only. So in this one we can apply, just applying in second column 9 times of C2 if we add in C1. Just we are doing the 9 times of C2 adding this one. So what you will get is here only now. This first column remain as it is, no change. But in second one, what we are doing? We are doing the 9 times of this one. 9 times of this one plus C1. So 9 7 ja 63 plus 2. You will get 65. 72 plus 3 75. 81 plus 5 is 86. And third column is already the 65, 75, 86. So here is there in this determinant, these two columns are identical, and this is the properties there. If the two columns or any two rows are identical, then the determinant of this one will be the 0. Have a look. Yes. Now next question is, we are supposed to show that then minus a square ab, this one is equal to 4a square b square c square. So look at here only. See, if you are going to show that this is equal to this one, you must keep your eyes on the right hand side. What exactly you want? You want a square b square c square into 4 is here. So what we can do, we can apply here only. We can, or you can say we can take a common a from the first column, b from the second column, and c from the third column. So just you can write down, taking a, b and c common from C1, C2 and C3 column respectively. You can take out the, so if you are going to take the common from here, A and B from the second column and C from the third column. So what you will get is here, A is B here, C, and here is B you are taking, so this is A minus B and C. Here you are taking the C is common is here only, so this is A, B and minus C. Actually our target is to make the 0 at the maximum places here. So first of all keep your eyes here, according to that you must move. Now here one thing you can do, you can add the second column in first. Similarly you can add the third column in second one is there, but one operation we will do one time. Now applying C1 is equal to C1 plus C2 and C2, in C2 we will add the C3 is there. See why we are doing, because if I will add this one only, here you will get the 0, here you will get the 0, but in this second one you will get add, then here you will get the 0 and here is you will get the 0 is here. So our target is to make the maximum zeros. So what you will get is now here is, that is A, B, C. You are adding the second column in first one. So minus A plus A, 0, B minus B, 0, C plus C, that is 2C. In second column, the second operation we are doing, second column we are adding the third one. So A plus A, that is 2A, and minus B plus B, 0, plus C plus minus C, that is 0, and this third column will remain as it is. So at the maximum places you are getting the 0. Now you can find the determinant by taking the this column is also you can take, or by the row you can take, this no problem is there. I am taking with the column is here only. So this is equal to, look at here now, A, B, C. So according to this one I am taking plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus. So pluses will come here only. So that is, because for these two will be the 0. If you are taking for this one only, this row, this column and row, you will get the zeros there. But for this one is also you will get the 0. So I am taking directly for this C, 2C. So here you will get what? This column and this one. So here, like this row and this column we will take now. So what you will get this one is there only. So here is 2A, A, 0, B. So this is equal to A, B, C is 2C, and you will multiply 2A into B, minus 0 into A is 0. So this is A, B, C into 2C into this is 2AB. So that is equal to 4A square B square and C square, and this is your provision, you can say. So for this column wise I am taking, I am going to reduce by column. So this column and this row will be, you are supposed to delete. So for this 2C, these will come only, you can take, have a look. Okay, now next question is, we are supposed to show that this is equal to this one. So already I told you, keep your eyes on the right hand side is there, what exactly you want. We want x minus y, we want this and this one is here only. So keep your eyes here only. How can you get the x minus y? If we subtract the first row from the second, and to get the y minus z, if we subtract the second row from the third one. So you can apply here, just applying R1 minus R2 and R2 minus R3. Then these two operations we are going to apply at the same time. So if we subtract here only from the first row, second row we are going to subtract. So look at here, this is your x minus y, this is x square minus y square, and this is yz minus zx. Here from the second row you are going to subtract the third one is here. Keep your eyes here. So this is y minus z, y square minus z square, and zx minus xy. And this third row will remain as it is, z, y, z square, and xy here. See now, this x square minus y square, this is like a square minus b square, so it can be written as, you can write down this one is x minus y, y minus z as it is, and this is z. This can be written as these two, x minus y, x plus y, a plus b, a minus b, a square minus b square we are applying. So y minus z, y plus z, here z square will remain as it is, and this one yz. From here only, also you can take out that this z is common. So you will take the z is common, that is y minus x. Here you can take the x is common, you will get z minus y, and this xy is as it is. See, now what we can do, just see, look at here, from the first row we can take out the x minus y is common from the first row, and from second row we can take out the y minus z is common, we can take out this y minus z. So just taking common x minus y and y minus z from R1 and R2 respectively. We are going to take the common from here. So if from here you will take the x minus y is common and y minus z we are taking common from here. So what you will get? Here you will get 1 x minus y, so here is remain the x plus y. Here is the y minus x is here. Look at here, y minus x. But we are taking x minus y is common, that means sign will be changed. So direct you can write down here is minus z. Similarly from here y minus z you are taking common, so this is 1 y plus z, and same is here. This is z minus y, but we are taking y minus z is common, so this minus x, and this will remain as it z square and xy. This is you are getting. Now look at here. So now what we can do is here only. So you are getting this is there only, but now we want what we want. Now we want z minus x. So z minus x you can get from here only. If we from the first row, if we subtract the second one is there. From the first row, if we subtract the second, because we want z minus x is here only. Or from the second row you can subtract first one is anyhow you can do. But I am going to just apply here only. Applying. From first row, I am going to subtract the second one is there. So what you will get is here, 1 minus 1 is 0. X plus y minus x, you will get x minus z is here. Here is minus z, minus, so it will become a plus. Here, 1, y plus z, minus x, z, z square, and xy. And this is already x minus y and y minus z is already common. Now from here, from the first row, again we can take out the x minus z is common, or you can say the z minus x you can take out the common. You can change the sign is here. So what you will get is here now, x minus y, y minus z. Keep your eyes here. Here we can take out the x minus z is common, or the z minus x. So z minus x I am taking the common. So sign I will change here. So this is z minus x I am taking the common. So here you will get what? 0. Here minus 1. And here is also the minus 1, because z minus x I am going to take the common. Here it will remain as it is 1, y plus z minus x, and this is z, z square and xy. This is. Now, so at least this 3 we are getting. Now what we can do, look at here now. In this second column, if we add the third one, if we subtract third from the second column, if we subtract the third one, you will get the zeros here only, because our target to make the zeros at the maximum places here. So look at here now. So this can be. So now I am going to apply C2 minus C3. So what do we get? X minus y as it is, y minus z, z minus x. Here 0, 1, z as it is. We are subtracting this from this one. So minus 1. So it will become a plus. So it is 0. You will add here is, you will get y plus z plus x. Here z square minus xy minus 1 minus x and xy. This is. Now what we can do, we can solve for this first row is here only, because here is the 0, here is 0. Directly we can solve for this one is here only. We can solve this for this one. So look at here now. So I am going to write here. I am going to solve for the determinant for the first row. We are going to solve for first row, because here is the 0, minus 1 is here. So for this one, my plus minus plus. So I am going to do x minus y, y minus z, z minus x. So for this one you will take minus 1, because plus minus plus. So plus into minus will remain minus. What you will get? This row and column is gone. You are getting, this is 1. This is z plus y plus z plus x. And this is z, then z square minus xy. You can solve this one only. So look at here. What you will get? X minus y as it is, y minus z as it is, z minus x. Here you can solve minus 1. You will multiply this one. 1 into z square minus xy minus up to down z, y plus z plus x. Here you can solve. This is x minus y as it is, y minus z, z minus x, and here you will multiply. So by this minus 1 we are multiplying, so here is minus z square plus xy. Here you will multiply minus zy minus z square. Here is the, we are getting the minus is here, minus zx here. So here is minus 1 minute please, something is wrong is here. Yes, now by this minus, this sign will also be the changes here, so that we are counting this mistake. So this is become a plus, then plus, and this plus is there. So this minus z square plus z square you can cancel. So you will get what? X minus y, y minus z, and z minus x. And here is xy plus zy plus zx, which you want to prove. Because this, due to this minus is there, this whole sign will be changed. This minus, we will multiply this one as well as this one. So minus become a plus is here. So plus zy into plus z square plus zx, and this minus z square will be cancelled out. So you will get this one. Have a look. Now the next question is, if omega is a cube root of unity, then we are supposed to show that this is equal to 0. So you can assume later this is equal to this one. See, one thing we can do, we can apply, just apply 1 in first column we can add this one, means C1 is can be written C1 plus C2 plus C3. In the first column we are going to add the second and third is there. So what you will get is here only, if you are adding this one in this column, so it will be 1 plus omega square. Here is, this is omega plus omega square, 1 omega square 1, then omega square, then here will be the 1, here will be 1, and here is the, let me see, the question is there, some omega square 1 omega square 1 is here, and here is the omega. This is your question, this one. So we are adding, so here you will get omega plus omega square plus 1. Here is omega square plus 1 plus omega. And this will remain as it is, omega square 1, omega square 1, omega. See, if we think about the properties there only, that this is already we discussed, like this is like A, B, C. B, C, A, C, A, B, likewise. So you can apply that minus 1 by 2, A plus B plus C, that is also. And otherwise you can just simply, you can add. But here is the important properties here, because this is already given, omega is a cube root unity, and this is already, we know that 1 plus omega square is equal to 0. This is already, we know that. This is the, already we know that in the complex number. So what you will get is here only, this is equal to, this is 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. This is omega, and omega square 1, omega square 1, omega. And the property says, if any row or column is 0, if entire elements of the column or entire elements of the row is 0, then the determinant of that determinant is always 0. So this is equal to 0 by property, you can say. This one is, have a look. Yes, now the question is, prove that 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square, 6 square, 7 square, 8 square, 9 square is equal to minus 216. See, if we apply the properties here, without the properties also we can do, there is no problem, but here we will apply. So just see now, let us, this is equal to this, and we can expand this. 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 is 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 81, 64, and this is 81. This is there. Now one operation we can do, from the second row we can subtract first one, and from the third row is also we subtract this one. So we can apply, just we are applying this here only to reduce the rows, these numbers. So from second one we are going to subtract first, and from third is also we are going to subtract the first row elements. So here what you will get? You will get, here is 1, 4, 9. First row will remain as it is. 16 minus 1, that is 15. 25 minus 4, 21. 36 minus 9, that is 27. Here is 49 minus 1 is 48. 64 minus 4, 60, 81 minus 72. Just see, one thing now you can do is here only. See, from the second row, we can take out these numbers. In second row, elements are divided by 3, 3, 3. And this in third row, every element is divided by 12. Look at here now. 12 4 ja, 12 5 ja, 12 6 is here. So, you can take out the 3 common from second row, taking 3 and 12 common from R2 and R3 row respectively. You can take. So what you will get is here, first row will remain as it is, no change. Here you can take out the 3's common. We are taking the 3's common from here. So here will be the 5, 7, 9. From second row, third row we are taking the 12's common. So this is 4, 5, 6 is here. So finally we are getting is here 36, 1, 5, 4, 4, 7, 5, 996. This one. Now you can solve this one here only. So look at here. I'm going to write here only. See, now you can solve. This is 36. For this row and column we are going to, for this one, 7956 minus 4, first row, second column, so 5946, 5946 plus 9, first row, third column, 5745, 5745. You can solve this one. So this is your 36. Here you will get 1, 7 6 42 minus 45 minus 4. Here 30 minus 36 plus 9. Here is 5 after 25 minus 28. You can solve this one. So look at here. So this is equal to 36 here. 42 minus 45 is minus 3 into. This is minus 4 and minus 6. That is, it become a plus. So that is 24. See, here is plus 24. Because it is minus 6 and minus 4 is plus 24. And this is, here is the 9 into 3. That is minus 27. So here you are getting 36 and here is minus 30 plus 24. This is equal to 36 into minus 6. You can solve this one only. 6, 18, 216 minus, which you want to prove.